The Ambassador and the Dolphin are two legends in the radio-controlled boat world, and today they engage in a tug-of-war. It should be an interesting battle. The Dolphin, as you know, is a triple-screw boat, and you might think it will totally defeat the single-screw boat, the Ambassador. But let's take a look at what each of these boats has for their propulsion. The Ambassador has this massive MFA Como Drills Torpedo 850 brushed motor. This thing produces a lot of power. At 12 volts, it produces about 8,311 RPMs, but it is geared down 2-to-1 with a massive pulley system. Speaking of propellers, this propeller is huge, a 70mm 5-blade brass propeller. This boat is producing tremendous amounts of thrust. It's definitely a force to be reckoned with. Its opponent is the Dolphin. This is a triple screw boat powered by 3 MFA Como Drills Torpedo 800 motors, each motor producing about 4,340 RPMs, direct driving 3 55mm 5-blade brass propellers. This boat produces tremendous amounts of thrust as well. Let's get ready for the tug of war. Here we are, folks. Tug of war between the triple screw Dolphin, which has 3 MFA Como 800 motors, and the mighty Ambassador, which has one 850 MFA motor that's geared down 2-to-1 with a pulley system. The triple screw boat has 3 55mm 5-blade brass propellers, but the Ambassador has one 70mm 5-blade brass propeller. Let's see who's gonna win. All right, the Dolphin's starting to win, but the Ambassador's gonna fight. He's putting up a fight. Oh, he's starting to take over the Dolphin. Dolphin's fighting. Dolphin's fighting on one propeller right now. Ambassador's winning. Ambassador's winning, but now we're gonna get. Now we're going to gauge all 3 propellers, and Dolphin is wins. Dolphin's got the power. And Dolphin is wins. Dolphin's got the power. Dolphin wins.